Yes, guys, as you can see, I did pick up some beauties from Coach. I can't wait to finish doing the unboxing with you guys. See you on the unboxing time. Yay! Look at this, guys. Yay! Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. This is Aisha from Bags of Stuff. Thank you guys so much. We are at 1,000, above 1,000 subscribers. Like, this is so surreal. You guys have been so amazing. I just can't believe, like, me just sharing my passion for bags, not just luxury bags, but just contemporary bags. You guys would just be so welcoming, and I love you guys so much. I love my little community we're building. Thank you guys so much for the continuous support. Oh my God, as you guys can see, I went a little bit coach crazy. And probably the prior clip that you guys saw, it was me doing a shop with me. So I picked up these items from my amazing essay, and I also ordered some stuff for online. And just the FYI, so I did close out the poll. The Coach handbag was the winner. So I've already ordered the Coach handbag that I'm actually going to be doing for the giveaway. So this is actually going to be a two-part huge Coach haul. So this is the first part. The other items are going to be coming in this week. So once they come, I'll do a second part to this unboxing. So you guys can see it, and you guys will see also the bag that I purchased for one of my amazing subscribers. I cannot wait to do what the rules and everything is for the giveaway, but I think you guys are gonna like it because I love it and I wanted a bag too. So anyway, let's get into this unboxing. I know this is such a long introduction, but I'm just so happy. Thank you guys so much. Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let's continue to build this family. I can't wait for us to hit like 2,000 subscribers, because once we hit a 2,000 subscribers, I am going to be doing another giveaway and also do like a polling so you guys can choose what do you want the giveaway to be. Anyway, guys, I know you came here for the unboxing. Let's get into this first part of the huge Coach haul that I did this past weekend. Anyway, guys, let's get into it. All right, guys. So I'm gonna put this away. I think this is like the smallest item that I got from Coach. So which one let's start with this, okay, guys? So let me see if I can move the big old Coach box out of the way. Okay, so let's start with this little box right here, guys. Oh my God, I'm so excited for you guys to see what I picked up. So I did pick this up from my essay. Excited, guys. Oh my God. Okay, guys, as you guys can see, she wrapped it as how she always wrapped it. So beautiful. Can you guys guess what it is by just looking at the dust bag? Come on, let's take a guess. So 1, 2, 3. All right, let's open this beauty up and let's see what I actually picked up from Coach. Alrighty, guys. So yes, guys. Yes. So if you guys watch, I think my last video, I did have an unboxing fail with the bigger. So this is the Coach Madison, the Coach Pillow Madison in the size 18. So this is the smallest size. So this is in the all black leather. It's still got the plastic wrap on it. This is like this is not even like, this is brand new. My essay, the store, Coach had just received it in my boutique, and my essay showed this to me, and I was like, yeah, I got to take this home with me. So this one is the black on black. Everything is black on this. This is the Pillow Madison in the size 18. I am in love with this bag. I did have to return the Pillow Madison in the bigger size in the chuck color because it wasn't up to my standard. So I did return it, but I did pick up this beauty, guys. Oh my God, isn't this so beautiful? I'm so excited about adding this because I do have the bigger Pillow Madison in the coral color, but I don't have this size, the size 18. I don't have this in my collection. So I did pick this up because I just thought it was so beautiful right here. It just came in. It's the size 18. So this one, I did pay, I think full retail was it's like $3.95, but I just think it's so worth it, guys. Like, this is so beautiful. Like, it looks so good in the black, guys. I had to come home with this. So This is my all black one in the size 18 Pillow Madison, guys. Yay! Let's give a clap for this beauty right here. All right, so let's put this away. So this is the first handbag that I did picked up. Now, the other handbag that I picked up, I think you guys will probably, let's see. Let me just get the bigger box one. All right, guys, let me move this out the way. And let's get the bigger Coach box. All right, guys. So yeah. So this box is huge. So you already know that it's going to be a big bag. So can you guys guess what big bag I picked up? Can you guys guess? I'm so, yeah, I think like I am so much, I love the Pillow Madison in the size 18, especially in the all black, but I think I'm so excited about this because I've been eyeing this and I finally picked it up. I finally pulled the trigger and I was like, you know what, I'm going to get this bag. So can you guys guess what it is? And just this dust bag. I think you guys can guess because I have talked about this bag before. So let's open it up. So 3, 2, 1. All right, guys. So yes, I finally pulled the trigger and purchased my ruby satchel in the size 25 in this beautiful chuck and like dark brown. It looked like it's like it's like a little like a darkish kind of red kind of color brown. I forgot what the color name is, but oh my god, guys, isn't this simply beautiful? Oh my god, so I finally picked this up. Oh my god. And if you see it right there, you got the ins. Oh, guys, like this is so beautiful. It's so crazy. Like my essay was saying, so they got 3 of this in because this actually has been like not in the store in my boutique. They had a black one, they had this one, and then they have the one that's in the Coach monograms Jacquard print, but I didn't like that, so I either wanted this one or I wanted the all black one, and I don't even think they even sell the all black ones anymore. But this was really the one that I wanted, this color, because I don't really like black too much and I don't really like to add too much black to my collection. I want something that stands out. And obviously, guys, I had to pick this up. So just the FYI, Coach is running a special. I'm not sure how long it's going to be, and I think it's participating centers or something like that. So in my center, they're running this thing where if you donate like $10, you get 15% off of your purchase at participating stores for the Susan Coleman breast cancer awareness campaign. So if you donate at least $10, the specific store will give you different percentage. So Coach actually participated at my center and they gave 15% off if you donate at least $10. So I did get 15% off this purchase right here because my essay was like whichever one whichever one you wanted. So I did get 15% off. So the retail price for this, I think is like, no, the retail price for this currently is $550 because it's not on sale. But I got the 15% off, so I paid less than $550. But guys, I got like almost $100 off of this bag. So guys, look at this beauty. This is so beautiful. And this was like one of the 3 bags, like I stated earlier, that had came into my store. So one of the other essay has sold one, and this was the last one that was brand new in the back. I didn't even get the display one. This was right in the back because I saw it. I was like, oh my god, you guys got the Ruby Satchel 25. And my essay was like, yeah, we do. I was like, do you have one in the back? She was like, yeah, definitely, let me go check, because she wasn't sure if there was any more. So this one was literally in the back. This is the last one, and then obviously now the only one that they have left is the one that's on display, but this is the last one that was in the back. As you guys can see, oh my god, I am so excited to add this to my collection. I cannot wait. Honestly, I cannot wait to do a comparison video between this one and my Speedy B25, my Louis Vuitton Speedy B25, because these two are literally comparable. Like they're literally comparable, but there's a little bit of a subtle difference between the two. So anyway, I am excited. So this is the second beauty that I picked up. So let's move this away. Let's get this out of the way with this big old box. And then the last item that I actually did pick up, it's not a bag. It's more for accessories. So if you guys know me, you probably might know what's in this. box. So let's get this. I love when she does that. It's like so cute. All right, so you guys might know what's in this box. And in the bag. Yes, guys. So I did pick up the chain because I love the Coach chain. I just think it's like so amazingly made. The gold is just so beautiful. It's not that bright gold, but more of a subtle gold, like that age gold. And so I love it. So I am actually going to be using this in a lot of my other bags that need like gold chains. So I did pick this up. I do have the silver one as well from Coach. So this was the third item that I picked up from this specific haul, guys. Oh my God, guys. So yeah, so this is what this haul is for today. Like I stated, this is going to be a part 2. I do have additional item coming, including the giveaway gift. Oh my God, I cannot wait for it to come so I can show you guys what it is. Oh, I'm so excited. But anyway, so those items are going to be coming. I bought them from different places. So once you get here, I am going to do another part 2 unboxing to these unboxing right here. So I can't wait for you guys to see it. Anyway, so this is the video for today. Please do not forget to like, comment, share. Let's hit that 2,000 mark. We already finished the 1,000 mark. Let's go to 2,000 and let's do another amazing giveaway, guys. Anyway, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.